Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth and make smart financial decisions while others struggle? Today, we're revealing 21 smart financial habits that can transform the way you manage money and grow your wealth. These habits are the secret to long-term financial success, and the third one could completely change your mindset. Stay with us. This could be the key to your financial future. 1. Live below your means. Spending less than you earn is one of the most basic but powerful financial habits. This means consistently keeping your expenses lower than your income. It's tempting to spend more as you start earning more, but wealthy people avoid lifestyle inflation. Instead, they maintain steady, controlled spending habits. By living below your means, you create room to save and invest the difference. This habit protects you from financial stress, builds a strong savings buffer, and sets you up for future investments. Over time, living within your means ensures financial security and freedom. 2. Track every dollar you spend. To improve your financial situation, you first need to understand it. Successful people track where every dollar goes. They know exactly what they're spending on, and this allows them to find areas where they can save more. Use apps or simple spreadsheets to log your spending daily. This habit makes you more conscious of unnecessary purchases. It reveals patterns that you can adjust to fit your financial goals. Over time, tracking helps you control your spending and stay on top of your budget. 3. Create and follow a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap. It gives every dollar a purpose. Wealthy individuals create detailed budgets and stick to them, ensuring their money is working for them, not against them. Your budget should include essentials like housing, food, and bills, but also savings and investments. A well-planned budget prevents overspending and ensures you're putting money toward your goals. Review your budget monthly to make necessary adjustments. Following a budget brings financial clarity and discipline, and it's one of the most effective ways to build long-term wealth. 4. Prioritize long-term savings over short-term spending. Instant gratification is tempting, but building wealth requires focusing on the long term. Wealthy people understand that saving and investing for the future is more important than splurging on short-term pleasures. Whether it's skipping the latest gadget or delaying a vacation, they know that these small sacrifices today can lead to major financial rewards in the future. Prioritizing long-term savings over short-term spending creates a mindset shift. Instead of thinking about what you want right now, you focus on your financial freedom down the road. 5. Start investing as early as possible. The earlier you start investing, the better. Time in the market is much more powerful than trying to time the market. Wealthy individuals begin investing as early as they can, even if it's just a small amount. They understand the magic of compound interest, which makes your money grow faster the longer it stays invested. Starting early gives your investments time to weather market fluctuations and grow. Even small, consistent investments can turn into substantial wealth over time. The sooner you start, the more financially secure you'll be in the future. 6. Diversify your investments for safety and growth. Wealthy people don't put all their money in one place. They spread their investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments. This diversification reduces risk. If one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, balancing the overall outcome. By diversifying your portfolio, you're protecting yourself from volatility while increasing your chances for steady growth. Over time, a well-diversified portfolio provides financial security and smoother returns. Explore different investment opportunities to ensure your financial stability. 7. Build multiple income streams. Relying on just one income source can be risky. Successful people build multiple streams of income to boost their financial security. This can come from side businesses, rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or even freelance work. By having different sources of income, you protect yourself if one source slows down or disappears. Having multiple income streams also allows you to grow your wealth faster. It gives you flexibility and increases your financial independence. Look for ways to turn a hobby into income or explore passive income opportunities. 8. Automate your savings and investments. Automating your finances is a great way to ensure you stay on track with your savings and investment goals. Wealthy people often set up automatic transfers from their checking accounts to their savings or investment accounts. This eliminates the temptation to spend money before saving. Automating savings and investments ensures you're consistently building your financial safety net without having to think about it. Over time, these small automated contributions grow into significant wealth. Automating your finances is a smart way to stay disciplined and build long-term security. 9. Avoid high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can quickly drain your financial resources. Wealthy individuals avoid carrying high-interest debt, which can compound and grow over time. They use debt strategically, only for investments or purchases that appreciate in value, such as real estate or business ventures. If they do have debt, they pay it off quickly to avoid interest charges. Reducing or avoiding high-interest debt frees up more money for savings and investments, allowing your wealth to grow instead of being eaten up by interest payments. 10. Set specific and measurable financial goals. Successful people know what they're working towards. They set clear, specific financial goals, whether it's saving for a house, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement. Having measurable goals gives you a target to aim for and keeps you focused on achieving it. Break larger goals into smaller, actionable steps and track your progress regularly. Setting goals ensures that you're always moving forward. It's easier to stay motivated when you have a clear destination in mind. Adjust your goals as your financial situation evolves, but always have a plan. 11. Make use of tax-advantaged accounts. Wealthy individuals know how to use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401ks, or HSAs to minimize their tax burden. These accounts allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, which can significantly boost your long-term savings. Maximizing contributions to these accounts ensures you're getting the most benefit while reducing the amount you owe in taxes. This strategy helps your money grow faster and allows you to keep more of what you earn. 12. Invest in your health. Good health is critical to financial success. Wealthy individuals understand the connection between physical and financial well-being. By investing in their health through regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and mental health care, they stay productive, focused, and able to make better decisions. Poor health can lead to costly medical bills and reduced earning potential. Maintaining your physical and mental health not only reduces future healthcare costs, but also improves your ability to manage and grow your wealth. 13. Learn to negotiate. Negotiation is a powerful skill that can save you money and increase your income. Wealthy people know how to negotiate everything, from salaries to business deals to everyday purchases. Learning to negotiate effectively gives you more control over your financial outcomes. Don't be afraid to ask for a better deal or to negotiate terms that benefit you. The savings you gain through negotiation can add up over time, increasing your overall wealth. 14. Review your finances regularly. Wealthy people regularly review their financial situation. They check their spending, track their investments, and adjust their budgets when necessary. Regular financial checkups ensure that you're on the right track and give you the opportunity to make corrections before problems arise. Set aside time each month or quarter to review your financial health. Make adjustments to your goals, budget, and investment strategy as needed. Consistent reviews keep you in control and help you avoid financial surprises. 15. Avoid emotional spending. Emotional spending can quickly derail your financial progress. Whether it's retail therapy after a bad day or splurging on a vacation you can't afford, spending based on emotions leads to regret and financial stress. Wealthy people recognize when their emotions are driving their spending and pause before making purchases. By delaying gratification and thinking through your financial decisions, you can avoid emotional spending and stay focused on your long-term goals. 16. Plan for emergencies. Unexpected expenses are a part of life. Whether it's a medical emergency, car repair, or job loss, having an emergency fund is crucial. Wealthy individuals always have a cushion to fall back on when things go wrong. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This safety net will protect you from going into debt during tough times and give you peace of mind. Planning for emergencies ensures that financial setbacks don't derail your long-term goals. 17. Value your time. Time is one of your most valuable assets. Wealthy people understand that their time is limited, so they prioritize tasks that bring them closer to their financial goals. They outsource or delegate tasks that don't directly contribute to their success. By focusing on high-value activities, you maximize your productivity and increase your financial opportunities. Learn to say no to things that waste your time and instead focus on what matters most. 18. Give back to others. Wealth isn't just about what you accumulate for yourself. Successful people understand the importance of giving back, whether through charitable donations, volunteering, or helping others in their community. Giving provides a sense of purpose and helps build positive relationships. When you give back, it also improves your sense of fulfillment and well-being. Many wealthy individuals find that generosity doesn't just benefit those they help. It also enriches their own lives by reinforcing a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Giving is an essential part of long-term success, both financially and personally. 19. Stay curious and open to new opportunities. Curiosity is a powerful driver of growth. Wealthy individuals are always on the lookout for new opportunities, whether in their personal lives or business ventures. They stay curious and continuously seek out ways to improve themselves and their financial situations. Curiosity leads to innovation and helps you adapt to changing environments. Stay open to learning new skills, exploring different investment opportunities, and meeting people who can help you grow. By maintaining an open mind and staying curious, you increase your chances of discovering paths to success that others might miss. 20. Practice patience in investments. Successful investors know that wealth doesn't come overnight. They practice patience and understand that the markets fluctuate over time. They don't panic when investments drop in value temporarily. Instead, they trust the long-term potential of their strategy. Wealthy people invest for the future and give their investments time to grow. Patience in investing helps you avoid impulsive decisions that can lead to losses. Rather than trying to time the market or chase quick gains, focus on long-term wealth building. This approach ensures that you benefit from compound growth over time. 21. Celebrate small wins and stay consistent. Building wealth is a long journey, and it's important to recognize and celebrate your progress along the way. Wealthy individuals take the time to appreciate the small wins, whether it's paying off a debt, hitting a savings milestone, or successfully completing an investment. Celebrating these victories keeps you motivated and reinforces good financial habits. Staying consistent is key to long-term success. The more you practice smart financial habits, the easier they become, and the more progress you make. Celebrate each step forward and use those moments as fuel to stay on track toward your larger goals. These 21 smart financial habits are practiced by the world's most successful individuals for a reason. They work. By adopting just a few of these habits today, you can begin transforming your financial future. Remember, wealth building is not about quick fixes, but about consistency, patience, and discipline. Start small, stay focused, and watch how these habits can change your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips on achieving financial freedom and success.